Okay, so today we're replacing the top brake light. Alright, and you see these three screws right here? One, two, three. These three screws, they do absolutely nothing. They just hold the LED thingy in, like the LED board in. Alright, so once you've popped open your trunk, you're going to want to use a trim tool to remove that top plastic trim up there. You can use a flathead screwdriver if you don't care about the condition of your plastics. Okay, so I got it off using a trim tool, and it reveals the under panel, or the inner panel. On the left side, if you look real close, you can see a nut holding in a screw. On the right side, we have the same nut holding in a screw. If you have the correct size wrench, you can take it off. I don't. I'm using I'm using pliers to take it off, just to loosen it up. And then once it's loose enough to move with your fingers, you're just gonna go ahead and stick your finger in there and wiggle it out. Alright, so as you can see, I've gotten the right and left side out. You can zoom in all the way. It's just the bolt now. There's no nut on it. You're gonna want to keep track of everything you take out because you're gonna have to put it back together. So just go ahead and put it somewhere it won't get lost. Alright, so let's close the trunk real quick. And we're gonna just yank that out. So you're just gonna use your brute strength here and push your nails behind it. If you have a pry tool, you can use a pry tool as well. It will break. This one's over 10 years old, so it's been sitting in the sun. It's plastic. It's pretty much cooked. Don't worry if you break it. It's fine. It's gonna be thrown away. The next problem is the surface is absolutely filthy, so you're gonna have to clean that up real good. Alright, get it clean using whatever means you have at your disposal. Yes, I have many tools at my disposal, like some Daiso seal remover and some ultra hard tire and body cleaner. So you're gonna want to get it really shiny clean so it has a good mating surface for the new glue. Alright, you won't have any problem sticking on the new ones. Alright, so this is the new one. I got it from China. It's tinted black from the factory. And yeah, let's say I didn't want to buy OEM because I didn't want to pay a bajillion dollars for this little light when I could have gotten it for a few thousand yen off AliExpress. So it's Chinese, it works. The only problem is, as you can see there, the sponge gasket is a bit stretched and warped. Like quality control is different in China, but at least it's cheap, right? Alright, so we have lined it up as best as possible. Alright, so quick note, the cable actually clips onto the back of the light. You're going to want to do that before inserting it back in, and then just do everything in reverse order. It's super simple from here. You put the nuts on the screws, and voila. It's glorious! Alright, so I love it, and it takes less than 15 minutes. If I can do it, you can do it too, so stop driving around with a crappy third brake light and, fix it yourself. Thanks for watching.